This is not something which I usually review. Massive is what you can call it. It absolutely dwarfs me. It's also incredibly premium. It's the new Volkswagen Crafter. Well, this is something very different to what I normally review. I've got a very commanding view here. I'm up, sitting in the cabin of the all-new Volkswagen Crafter. And what I can say straight off the bat is, I think the sign of any impressive large vehicle is one which is easy to live with, easy to drive, and really doesn't feel its size. Much like this, the new Crafter, it really feels small and compact. In fact, it feels like driving any typically Volkswagen product. It's got German quality levels, solidity, and a really well-appointed cabin, but ultimately, it's also such an incredibly easy car to drive. Now that's for a couple of reasons. Firstly, the Crafter is certainly the benchmark within the van market. It sets its benchmark by adding a lot of clever technology to the space. I'm talking about the likes of electromechanical steering. You go around bends, you simply park it, you got park sensors, I've got hill start assist. It's just so light and easy to steer. It really is something quite extraordinary, especially when you consider the fact that there are more different variants available than you even know what to do with. You can literally have the Crafter configured in a long wheelbase, a shorter wheelbase, this massively high roof, or a smaller roof. You can have it with an open back, different configurations inside. There is no end to the customization and ability, and it really is a van which pulls it off from a commercial sense so incredibly well. Now in terms of engine and drive, there's several different variants available. You can either have it with the rear wheel driven version, or now the Crafter is available with front wheel drive. You can have, as I've got at the moment, a very comfortable and smooth 6-speed manual gearbox or an 8-speed automated transmission, and this 2-litre Tdi motor is excellent. It's very good at putting power down from low within the rev range. With 103 kilowatts of power and 340 newton meters of torque, you also find it's sprightly enough. It just sort of achieves the power when it needs to. And whether you got a heavy load in the back, I have already moved things, furniture, I moved a heavy table, even a kayak in here to test it. Did the job flawlessly well. Of course, you can load massive amounts of weight. We're talking in excess of 5 tons if you wish, certain variants of the Crafter, and you can feel that this engine has certainly got the drive if you need it. Sold with a 2-year unlimited kilometer manufacturer warranty and packing not only stylish looks on the outside well from a commercial sense, as well as impressive technology and a lot of features, the Crafter really does encompass value, premium build quality, and ultimately it's easy to fall in love with. From me, Jason of Technobock, though I don't often drive commercial vehicles, this has given me reason to start driving many more of them. Until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.